Hey guys, I'm going to quickly show you how to make a do-it-yourself fidget. All you need is a pipe cleaner, some small beads, a little piece of cardboard or a popsicle stick, scissors, and tape. So first, string your beads on to the pipe cleaner. Usually about 10 or less beads works well. Once you have your beads on the pipe cleaner, cut a slit on each end of your cardboard, about an inch, half an inch. Cut here, so it looks like this. Then place your pipe cleaner on top of the cardboard and insert it on the slits so it stays in place. And then on the back, you might need to cut it if it's too long, but just twist it a few times so it stays. If you're using a popsicle stick, just tape the ends so it stays in place, and you have your fidget. You can move the beads with your fingers, you can roll the beads, you can feel in between the beads, the soft pipe cleaner. Fidget to focus.